It's here, my new bike. Bella, you better move out the way. But I am making this video because for those of you who like to hardwire your bike, like me, so we don't have any Wi-Fi issues whatsoever, here's my Ethernet cord. And in the original, my previous bike, you can just plug this in to the bike, but this one you need a USB-C to Ethernet adapter. So in preparation for this delivery, I purchased this one off of Amazon. It had great reviews, a uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter, where you just plug in the Ethernet cord here. But I want you guys to know not all adapters are created equal, because this one does not work with the Bike Plus. As you can see, there's this little hole right here to plug it in. And because of this casing around the adapter, it does not fit. Does not fit. So do not buy uni. It does not fit. So I am on the search for an adapter that fits. If you have one, please send me the recommendation because I need one. Okay, thank you very much.